I'm about to show you something that is going to make you angry. Not at me, at yourself. Getting ahead of 99% of people with AI is actually easier than you think. They just don't know how to use the right prompts. I made $330,000 in 60 days.
When I personalized my AI for the first time, it honestly felt like ChatGPT finally understood me.
Introduce yourself. Right now, you're a stranger to ChatGPT. To get ahead of 99% of people, you need to teach ChatGPT who you are so it remembers it in every conversation. Go to ChatGPT, click your name at the left bottom corner, and click personalization. You're going to see a couple of options here, but the most important ones are these.
Before that, every reply felt generic, like it was talking to the whole internet, not someone juggling a 9-to-5 and a side hustle. But after step 1, something clicked. The answers suddenly matched my goals, my learning style, and the little time I had each day. The only problem? Everything was scattered across 100 random chats with zero memory.
Custom instructions. This alone will change the way you use AI. It's a game changer. Here are my instructions. You're my ruthless mentor. Don't sugarcoat anything.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
If my idea is weak, call it trash and tell me why. Your job is to stress test everything I say until it's bulletproof. I want you to make me the best of my kind. Use simple language, give me step-by-step instructions, show me real examples.
That's why step 2 blew my mind. Projects turned my AI from a chatbot into a real system. And you need to see this.
On the left sidebar and click new project. So let's say you're creating a mini course about email marketing. Name it after your product. For example, email marketing course launch. Now here's what makes this so powerful. You can upload all your research, all your competitors' analysis, your customer survey, everything. And ChatGPT remembers it all in every conversation. So
before that, every new chat felt like starting over from scratch, repeating my goals, my niche, my audience, my ideas. But once I put everything inside a project, something changed. ChatGPT didn't just remember my launch, it understood the whole picture, my research, my timeline, my product, all in one place. But even with all that, I was still doing the heavy lifting, searching Google, checking competitors, digging through reviews.
I'm gonna click create project. And on the right side, you see this button, add files. This is the magic. I'm gonna click this, and now here, as you can see, you can add documents, code files, images, and more.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing. We use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make this kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
But because we are smarter marketers, we're going to actually use a trick. I'm going to ask the project folder to create me a product file for the project itself. So here is my prompt. Create me instructions.
And that's when step 3 flipped everything. Because agent mode doesn't just reply, it actually works for you.
When you start a new chat, click the model drop down at the top, select the agent mode option. Agent mode means ChatGPT doesn't just answer, it acts. It can research the web, it can analyze and research, it can run calculations, it can chain together multiple steps on its own. Watch this. I'm typing. I want to create a digital product about productivity for remote workers.
Instead of me spending hours Googling competitors and reading reviews, it did everything on its own, faster and cleaner than I ever could. Watching it open a browser, dig through information, and build a full market breakdown, it made me realize how much time I'd been wasting doing things manually. But even then, it was still missing something huge: my world. My content, my ideas, my audience, my experience, none of that was inside the system yet.
Research the current market. Find the top 3 competitors, their price points, what customers complain about in reviews, and identify 3 gaps I can fill. Give me specific product positioning based on what you find. Watch what happens. It's opening its own browser, and now it's finding competitors. It's reading customer reviews. It's analyzing price points.
That's why step 4 is a game changer. Because when you upload your own files, your AI finally starts working with the gold you already have.
If you're on a new chat and you click this plus sign, see this paperclip icon? Click it. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, images. Let me show you something very powerful. I'm uploading a document with all my best social media posts from the last year. Here it is. Now I say, analyze these posts and videos. Identify the top 5 topics people engaged with most. For each topic, create a digital product idea I could sell.
When it analyzed my posts, my notes, and my ideas, the answers suddenly became sharper, more accurate, more me. It wasn't guessing anymore. It was using my real-world content to find what my audience wanted and what product I should build next. But there was still one more bottleneck. I was wasting time trying to write the perfect prompt for every task, hoping I didn't miss anything important.
Tell me which one has the highest profit potential. Watch this. It's reading all my posts and videos from my YouTube and other social media. It's identifying patterns, and it's seeing which topics got the most engagement. And now it's giving me 5 product ideas based on what my audience already proved they want. Look at this. It found my posts about AI digital products to be more engaging.
And that's why step 5 feels like a cheat code. Because ChatGPT can actually create the perfect prompts for you.
You can have ChatGPT create the prompts for you. Watch this. I'm typing, I need to write sales emails for my digital product launch. Create a perfect prompt I should use to get high converting email copy from you. Include what information I should provide about my product, audience, and offer.
Suddenly every task became easier. Need a sales page? It gave me the perfect prompt. Need emails? Another perfect prompt. For the first time, I wasn't guessing. I was using proven templates that worked every single time. But even with that, I still felt like I was only scratching the surface. I wanted something smarter, something built around my business, my style, my goals.
Look at this. It just created a detailed prompt template that's better than anything I could write myself. It's telling me to include my product benefits, customer pain points, price bonuses, deadline, and desired tone. Now I can copy this prompt template, fill in my specific information, and use it for every product launch. So now, let me use it. I'm copying this prompt, opening a new chat, and filling it with my product details. Look at this email sequence it created.
That's exactly why step 6 blew my mind, because you can actually create your own custom GPTs that work like specialized tools built just for you.
Click Create at the top. You'll see 2 tabs, Create and Configure. The Create tab talks to you and builds it. The Configure tab lets you set it up manually. I'm going with Menu, more control. Click Configure. Now, let's build a custom GPT for creating digital products. Name it, let's say, Digital Product Creator.
It knew exactly how I liked things explained. It knew how I built products, how I structured ideas, and what actually sells. Suddenly, every new idea I had became clearer, validated, outlined, and priced in minutes. But then I realized something even bigger. If one custom GPT could do this much, what happens when you combine all the steps together?
And description is going to be helps you brainstorm, plan, and outline digital products like courses, ebooks, templates, and guides that people will actually buy. Now, scroll down to the instructions. This is the brain of your custom GPT. Here's what I'm typing. You're an expert digital product creator who has launched hundreds of successful products. When someone comes to you with a product idea, you first validate.
And that's where step 7 transforms everything, because stacking every feature into one system turns AI into a full-on business machine.
Features into one powerful workflow. Let me show you a real example. How I use all of these features together. So let's say I want to start a new digital product business. Here is how I do it. First, I create a project called New Product Launch and add my business context, my target audience demographics, my existing products.
Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
My email list size, my revenue goals. Second, I turn on agent mode and have it to do market research. Research this niche, find competitors, analyze this pricing, read customer reviews, identify gaps. It comes back with a complete market analysis. Third, I upload sources. I upload competitor sales pages. I upload customer surveys.
Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.